We're gonna make another recording here. Recording here. Give me that address one more time.
18037.
18037.
First Avenue Northwest.
First Northwest. We are coming. This time I poked a hole in the top of the kitchen line where this kitchen line ties in, where it's having its failure, and ran the camera down the kitchen line. So we are going to come back through this stretch of line now. We are in the shared part of the sewer, but coming back into the kitchen line. So we go back to old concrete there, about 7 feet back from that where we started the recording. So you turn there. That turn looks like it's seen better days.
Are you able to tell where that kitchen line and the main line come together?
Yeah, they're coming together somewhere in here.
Oh, right about there.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very rough old aggregate, beat up. There's almost no bottom to this pipe here. It's like a mixture of grease and dirt.
And that's just the older. It's just because that's old original crap.
Oh yeah, it's just a wear and tear.
Yeah.
It's all the stuff that's gone down the sink over the years.
Yeah.
All the food grease. So 21 feet or so of old concrete before you get to that that new section of sewer there. Well, the kind of